Hello, everybody. This is Scott Woods. I'm coming to you live from the Bat Cave, my worldwide headquarters somewhere in the Midwest. Today, we're going to talk about finding more types of freight. You know, when I'm talking to people that take my class, I'm always talking about establishing a niche. When new agents or new brokers get into this business, I really strongly recommend that you establish a niche. This way, you can learn what the equipment types that are going to run that type of freight are going to be, but you can also learn about the freight lanes in which it's going to run and what the average rates that the trucks are taking and the shippers are paying for these certain types of freight. That niche can be established by the type of freight, you know, the commodity type, by the equipment type. It could be established by where the freight's located, etc. So, as you see on the screen, we've come to good old Google. You can find anything on Google. I actually just found where Amelia Earhart's body is actually located. And, you know, the government's been looking for it for like 70 years. I found it on Google. But seriously, we're looking at, I have a search here in the Google search box for what's called the MPI directory. Now, I actually found this originally about 8, 9 years ago. This is a directory that's put out by the USDA, the United States Department of Agriculture. It's a marketing directory. And what this is the meat, poultry, and egg inspection directory. Now I'm going to go ahead and click this link. I'm going to take you to it and you can kind of see exactly what it is. All right. As we open it up, it's going to take you to the United States Department of Agriculture's website. The cool thing about this directory, you can download it in PDF. They have it available here. It's the MPI directory for Android or iPhone and iPad. I mean, they're really getting up on their marketing techniques for this. I prefer it in XLS. Now, today is March 22nd, 2016. You'll see that they just updated this on March the 3rd, 2016. They update this about every 45 days. Now, you'll be able to view the directory from right here on the website, but when you're working freight, you've got to have that information at your fingertips all the time. So what I do, I actually just save it in the Excel spreadsheet or on the app. Now I'm going to go ahead and click alphabetical by establishment name. What's going to happen is I have Microsoft Excel on my computer, but I'm going to open up the PDF just for viewing purposes for the video. Now, if you look up here, you're going to see this is 695 pages long. All right. So I'm going to scroll down here and you're going to see the first page. All right. Now, what are we looking at? You're going to see the establishment's number. That's the number given to it by the government. You're going to see what they are. It's going to say processing. All right. And if you look down, you'll see another one. Come down here to this one. It says slaughter and processing. You scroll down a little bit more. You're going to run into distributors. You know, here's a warehouse, things of that nature. Well, if they're processors, that means they are taking and chopping up your different meats, whether it be pork or beef or chicken, and then they are going to repackage it for shipment to a distribution facility, either to a food service network, you know, or a private labeler. Now, what you're looking at is a lead list. This is money. All right. What you're looking at is a lead list. You've got everything you need. You've got the name of the company. You've got, you know, for billing information purposes, where they're located, their phone number. All right. You don't really need to know the grant date, stuff like that, you know, but this is what you could just literally go down like a machine gun and start calling people, generating your leads. Most of this stuff, as I go back to the main part of the directory, you know, most of this stuff is going to be refrigerated freight, the biggest majority. But I mean, it's going to be useful if you're a freight broker, it's going to be useful if you're a freight dispatcher, and it's going to be useful as you're a trucking company. Hey, this is just one of the lead generation techniques we're going to show you in our training programs. Go to our website, www.freightbrokertrainer.com, www.freightbrokertrainer.com. We'll show you how to move freight. We'll show you how to find freight. Unlike a lot of these other schmucks on YouTube that are just going to basically take your money and run and not give you a fighting chance or show you anything about this industry, we're going to teach you how to move freight profitably. Hey, thanks for viewing this video, and look at the rest of our YouTube channel. Check out our website for some great training programs. Have a great day.